Molweni, hello, welcome back to my sunburn. I'm just joking, guys. I don't know how to get rid of this. It's very frustrating, but that's not what you guys are here for. I'm going to be doing a review for the first time on the channel. It is a new foundation that Revlon came up with. So let's see how it sits, let's see how it looks. You guys have to stay tuned though. I've decided to bring you guys up close so you can actually see how the foundation sits on me. So this is the Revlon COLOURSTAY full cover foundation, and it is a matte foundation. It says it lasts for 24 hours. I don't like to wear my makeup for 24 hours, so we're not doing that. But I decided to take the color Toast. I couldn't choose between Toast and Almond, so hopefully this is the correct foundation shade. This is the packaging. So it is a tube. Let me read you guys the description. It says it is a full coverage foundation, comfortable wear that moves with your skin, won't cake you up or weigh you down, easy to apply and blends seamlessly. We are going to check for all those descriptions. Okay, the features: matte full coverage that doesn't look cakey or feel heavy, lasts up to 24 hours, and a tube for easy and on-the-go application. Okay, so let's put this foundation to the test and see if it doesn't cake up and if it is easy to apply. On the one side, I'm going to use my beauty blender, which is damp, and then on the other side I'm going to use my sponge to see which applicator is better for this foundation. First, I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze a bit of foundation on the back of my hand. It's sort of coming out like a mousse. I thought it would be more liquid. So I am not going for a full coverage look. I just want there just to be enough to cover the whole face. Okay, so it's very mousse-like, and I'm not sure if this is my summer shade, but we will fix it in the end. It's actually easy to apply on, so they were not lying to us. Okay, so far I do like the foundation. It looks beautiful on the skin. Does not feel cakey whatsoever. And I would say it's a lightweight coverage, so if you want a full coverage, you'd have to build it up. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush. And let's see how it applies with the brush. I'm just gonna add some more on the back of my hand. And my brush is falling apart, so you know what, screw it. I'm gonna apply on the forehead. I must say I do love the application on the side with my half brush. It actually is very beautiful. I was just having... There were a bit of streak lines, but I did manage to clear that up. But I think I like using a beauty blender much more to apply my foundation. So I'm just going to take the rest of this and apply it all over the face. Good news, people, it is the correct foundation shade. Yes, I am in the color Toast. I'm not going back. I thought I was gonna have to buy almond, but it looks pretty good. I am happy. So now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face. So I'm not gonna really go through it step by step. It's more about the foundation and how it looks once my whole face is done. So we're just gonna do that. So this is the final look. I've applied all my products and I love how it's sitting. The concealer's sitting fine, it's not creasing. I applied some skin powder as well and it looks great. The shade matches me perfectly, I feel. So this is definitely a foundation that I'm going to use in the summer, because in the winter I am a bit lighter, so I'd probably have to get another shade. But overall I am happy. I love how it looks. So let's see if it ticks all the boxes. Up to 24 hours. I can't tick it because I'm not going to wait for 24 hours, but we'll just say yes. No caking, yes. No fading, yes. Lightweight, blends seamlessly, yes, 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 yes. So I love this foundation. It gets a hand clap from me. If you guys want to get it, you can buy it at Clicks or DISCHEM. It is available in those stores. I love it, I love it. And it's actually good for people who have oily skin as well. I have normal skin, so you guys can also get it. Thank you so much for watching. Before I close out today's video, I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Natasha Pickett. Thank you so much for subscribing, girl. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? I mean, it's free, guys. You can just hit the red button at the bottom of the screen and also click the bell next to it so you know every time I post a new video. I love you guys. May your day be ever flawless as you make up. I must say I do love the application on the side with my half brush. It actually is very beautiful. I was just having some trouble with my